Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams. My dear students, today we will discuss chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. In properties of aldehydes and ketones, here we will discuss chemical properties only. Before it, I have already uploaded the preparation, properties, introduction, physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. You can watch all the videos from the playlist. Now we will discuss first type. I have already uploaded a short video in which I have categorized all the chemical properties in different categories. First one is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reactions means, first of all, we know that what is nucleophile. Nucleophiles are electron rich species which contains negative charge or lone pair of electrons. Mean like OH negative is a nucleophile, Cn negative is a nucleophile, Cl negative is a nucleophile. Means the species which contains negative charge acts as a nucleophile. Or in other words, like H2O, alcohols, these are called neutral nucleophiles which contains lone pair of electrons, ammonia and all, which contains extra unshared pair of electrons, that are called nucleophiles. Now addition reactions means the addition reactions are those reactions in which there is no elimination of any micro or macro molecules, only addition takes place. For example, we will take here any example. Suppose I am taking a general equation for aldehydes and ketones here, open side, and this is any aldehyde or ketone. It may be any aldehyde or ketone, this is general. And in this, if we are adding any nucleophile means electronegative species, it gives a addition reaction in which oxygen is a highly electronegative and carbon is a positive part. So breaking of pi bond, electron shifts towards the highly electronegative atoms, and you will find O negative and positive carbon, on which nucleophile will be added. So this type of reactions are called addition nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition reactions. For example, if we have taken here CHR, this is any aldehyde. I am taking here CH3, CH double bond O, this is acetaldehyde, and when any nucleophile, suppose Cn negative added on with it, it gives CH3, Cn and OH. OH from where? H from where? It is come from the, here we are taking hydrogen cyanide. So we have find here a cyanohydride compounds. So this type of reactions are called addition nucleophilic addition reaction, in which any nucleophile is added with any aldehyde or ketone. Now we will go for mechanism of acid catalyzed. These are acid catalyzed reactions. What's the mechanism of acid catalyzed reaction here? Just see. Here I just say any aldehyde or ketone, when any nucleophile react with it in first step. This is step first, which is a slow step, in which this is a reversible also, in which this is a slow step. First is a slow step in which formation of any intermediate takes place. This is not negatively charged, this is negatively charged. Now here we are seeing there tetrahedral intermediate. It is a tetrahedral intermediate. If you want to see the tetrahedral shape of it, this is like that. like that, it will be like that, but I have not draw like that. Now you can do the reaction with a acid. This is a step second. Step 2, which is a fast step. Step 2 is the fast step in which H positive will attach with O negative part. NuOH and both sides opened. Here may be R or H, anything. Here we have two types of reactions, that is acid catalyzed reaction and basic catalyzed reaction. We have discussed here acid catalyzed reactions, but question is that which nucleophiles give acid catalyzed reactions? Which nucleophiles give acid catalyzed reactions? So answer of this question, dear students, the reactions of weak nucleophiles. Weak nucleophiles means like ammonia is a weak nucleophile, and its derivatives are called weak nucleophiles, are usually carried out in the weakly basic medium. Weakly basic acidic medium. Weakly acidic medium. हमें कौन सी ऐसी रिएक्शंस हैं? ऐसी रिएक्शन जिनमें हम क्या वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल को या उनके डेरिवेटिव्स का एडिशन रिएक्शन शो करते हैं न्यूक्लियोफिलिक, वो जनरली किस में होती है? वीकली एसिडिक मीडियम में कंप्लीट होती हैं, जिनमें हम रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म ये फॉलो करते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज द बेसिक कैटेलाइज्ड reactions. Basic catalyzed reactions generally shows by the basic catalyzed reactions basically shown by the strong nucleophiles like cyanide. Cyanide is a strong nucleophile. They complete in basic medium. Complete in basic medium. What is the mechanism of these? Mechanism of basic catalyzed reactions. So mechanism will be when any aldehyde or ketone react with nucleophile. Nucleophile means Nu, suppose CH, when react with OH negative, it gives Nu negative plus H2O. We are finding here nucleophile from any, suppose in place of this will be HCN like that. If HCN react with basic medium, it gives water and nucleophile. So when nucleophile react with carbonyl group, so shifting of bond, it is negatively charged and this will be positive charge. Negatively charged particle will go on the positively charged particle, and this is the slow step. Step first is the slow step, in which we find an intermediate again, which is again unstable, intermediate carbon ion, intermediate, which is unstable. And in second step H positive, from where? It is from OH negative. or any other reagent, it react fastly with the unstable intermediate and gives and add on the oxygen atom and find, we have find here any substituted nucleophilic substitution addition product. This is addition product. Addition product. So students, this is the basic addition reaction with its mechanism. So thank you so much. We will discuss different examples of these reactions in our next part. Thank you.